guys, so it is the 14th today. The kids are outside playing because honestly I can't be bothered today. I have like a massive headache, but I still have a lot of things that I really want to get done today. And you know what, they may or may not get done today. So because I have to edit, I need to get some laundry done because I go back to work tomorrow, so I need like clean clothes to wear, and I probably need to wash this hoodie. No, it still smells good, but like I need to wash it. So yeah, I have my coffee right here. I love this mug. My mother-in-law gave me this mug and it says I like big mutts, and I cannot lie because honestly I'm more of an ass girl anyways, and Saint's a big mutt basically because he's, you know, a mixed breed dog. But before I show you what is behind this door,
I'm gonna need you guys to not be too shocked. Don't read me down in the comments below, okay? Please don't do that. I don't appreciate that. Don't be a fucking hater.
Okay? And let's open up my pantry, okay? Okay, so this is my So that is my pantry, you guys. I have to clean this, like organize it a little bit better. It was super clean, super organized and stuff like that, but Melissa's been baking a lot and she doesn't put things back the way I put them back. So we, instead of like having a come to Jesus kind of moment with her, I just decided I would clean it out and organize it myself. Also, while I'm doing that, you guys are gonna basically just watch me clean it out, and I'm going to be watching the homegirl Rupi Minas on YouTube. She is doing a Makeup by Mario Quads first impressions and review. So we're watching that. I'm about halfway through it already.
That sparkly blue is just gorgeous. Anyways.
Okay, so I don't get distracted. Go juice. Okay guys, so I'm done with this, and I have organized this to my best ability. Let's just go ahead and say that. So I'm going to show you guys the work I did. So something also that you guys might not know about me is that I am a sucker for these acrylic containers, because they're clear, they're see-through. You can see how much you have if you need to go to the store. Clearly, I have breadcrumbs in this one and brown rice in this one and white rice in this one. You know, like, I love being able to see that. I have macaroni in this one and penne in this one. You know, I just love to see, like, I need to buy more flour. And then, like, I'm hella good on almond flour. Maybe buy another bag of powdered sugar, that whole thing. Saints extra good on bones. So I think, and I organized this to my best ability. I threw out a bunch of stuff. There was like one of those is Saints peanut butter, which is that one, and then this one we use, but Melissa hadn't wrote on the lid yet Saints peanut butter, so I wrote Saints peanut butter on it. As you can see, the one I put in the trash, it has Saints peanut butter written on the top. I filled back up the walnuts because we had more walnuts, you know, that old thing. So I like to keep walnuts and pecans because I like putting them in my oatmeal, stuff like
Basically,
that.
what I'm going to do now is see, I'm trying to have a really chill day, but let's go upstairs and do some laundry.
Okay, so my laundry area is right outside of my bedroom. That's my bedroom. It's out here in the hallway, and here's the laundry hampers.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get some laundry going over here. Oh, also, just a really quick question for everybody. Let me know if I'm being like just super lazy or not. But like, if you have an upstairs and a downstairs, and say something goes upstairs and you don't necessarily feel like going all the way upstairs, do you just sit it on the stairs? And then you're like, okay, next time I go upstairs, I'll put it out, you know? Or do you like fully go back upstairs and like when I first came to this house, I did that all the time. I came up and down the stairs like 20 times a day. Nay, I can't have that. So I just started putting things on the stairs. Now everybody puts things on the stairs. Melissa's sweats from yesterday because she wore 2 pairs of pants. It was a snow day. She wore 2 pairs of pants. She took off one of the pairs of pants because she got hot and left them on the dining room chair. So then I had to pick them up. I'm sorry, y'all just listening to me, bitch. But also, that was a legitimate question too. So please answer it in the comments down below. So I'm gonna just do a shade, a Load of Darks, Melissa's sweats from yesterday. Let me see. I need to do this hoodie that I'm wearing right now. Huh, the kids are back. You can hear. Okay, go get them, Saint. Go get them. Okay. I have my work shirt in here. I need to get that out. And I love my hamper. I got it off Amazon. And you can just like take the whole thing and dump it in here, which I think is great. And then you can just put the empty thing back. And that load is like a really small load. So I'm gonna grab this other one. It's another like half, so 2 halves gonna make a whole today. Now I am going to fold this giant pile of laundry. Okay, so now that I have everything nice and folded, put in piles of where these things go, now I have to put them away. Okay guys, so basically done with my chores for today. I'm really just gonna right now be on my phone, catch up with a lot of things on Instagram. So I think you guys aren't gonna see me until I make this pie. So I will see you guys in a few hours.
Bye. See you later.
Okay guys, so basically what's happened within this scope of time is, like, I was on my phone on Instagram. My sister decided to get off work early. So I put my laundry into the washing machine, and I wasn't going to film that. I was just going to film folding more laundry. But that didn't happen. We went to the dispensary to buy my brother another gift. And then we went to Walmart because my sister wanted to buy my niece a gift. And so me and Skylar and my sister went there. Aria stayed here. And then, let's see what else happened. We went to the liquor store because I need bourbon for the pecan pie. So we're about to go downstairs. I'm gonna look up the recipe for the pecan pie, and then we're gonna make the pecan pie together. Then my sister's gonna leave because Aria is staying the night. My sister needs to go into work early. So that's what's gonna happen right now. So come on. Okay, hey guys, so we're down in the kitchen, and I'm just gonna go over with you really quickly the ingredients that you're gonna need for this recipe. So you need some Karo syrup. I happen to have the light one, but I don't necessarily, sometimes in some recipes it matters, but your pumpkin pie just, or not pumpkin pie, your pecan pie just isn't going to be as dark if you don't use the darker one, but that doesn't bother me, so I'm going to use this one. You need 4 tablespoons of bourbon for this one. You need some lemon zest. I personally don't have lemon zest, so I'm not going to be using lemon zest or lemon juice. You need a half a stick of butter or 4 tablespoons of butter, whichever one you have. 3 eggs. You're gonna need a little bit of salt. You're gonna need a bunch of pecans and some brown sugar. I'm not myself going to be making a pie crust. I just went ahead and bought a pre-made pie crust, but you can make a pie crust. I'm just not going to be doing that because that's like a lot of unnecessary work. I made like some yeast rolls from scratch already this month. Like, I just am not feeling it. So we're gonna be doing that. You also need a cutting board along with a knife. We're gonna be using this kind of measuring cup and this kind of measuring cup for liquids and then for dry things. Let's get into combining the ingredients.
had a chicken pot pie for dinner. Sam's made it. I didn't make it, okay? But we did burn our pie, the tops of it, of the pecans. Okay, just the pecans. It's okay. Whitney's back there doing homework with Aria because I didn't finish it earlier today.
So sad.
Yeah, so sad. So basically this is gonna be my night. We might watch a little bit of TV later, but that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys are enjoying my Vlogmas. Right, Skylar?
Mm-hmm. What's today?
14.
By the way, so like and subscribe.
What the kid said. What do you say?
Plus notifications. If you don't, that just means you're a bad person.
Oh, you're a bad person if you don't subscribe.
All of you, I can tell if you're not subscribed.
He's like Santa Claus, but for my subscribers, he knows. Okay, so if you're watching this, hit the subscribe button. Maybe extra. He talks to Santa, right?
Maybe.
You're gonna write him a letter and tell them like, hey.
Maybe.
Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.